So we'll start with the orbit camera tool, which is my favorite, and I'll go to the screen here and hover, and I'll click on the mouse and turn it around like so until you can see the 1, but it's covering up the 2. Great. So now we'll go here a little bit further on the plate head, and now we want to see the 2, so I'll orbit my camera back to see the 2. And just so you know, when you want to switch between cameras here, all you gotta do is press the letter C. So I'll press letter C here. I keep switching between cameras, and this is the Z space tool, right? So now it zooms in on the 2, and then I'll hold it here. I'll just copy and paste these keyframes so it'll hold this position. Then I'll move it up ahead a little bit, and now let's move on to the 3. So I'll press this letter C again to switch to my orbit tool. And actually this time, let me go to the unified camera tool. And then now we're gonna go just to the 3. And I'll press C again and twice to go to the XY camera tool and go here and then hold that there, and let's see more or less what this looks like. I'll press play here. See? What the camera tool allows you to do is just move the camera really quickly to do stuff that would take you a long time to move within keyframes. So also here's another thing, if you want to move the layers around in a way that you can see them better so that they're not in the way of each other or in the same shot in the camera, I would recommend you clicking here where it says active camera. Click down here and go all the way down to top. You can check all these out later, but the top one is the best one because you can see all your layers here from the top view. You can see the 3 clearly because it's been tilted up to the top, right? But I can click on the 2 here, and then I can grab the Z and bring it to where it's right in the front matching with the 1. And then I can click on the 1 and move it further out of the way so that it's not in the way of the 2. Now when I go to active camera and I click on fit here, you can see that they're not as much in the way of each other. So that's just a quick tip to move them around and so you can organize it better. I hope this is easy enough for you to get, and I hope you practice with this so you can have some fun, and I'll do more tutorials later on to teach more stuff about cameras. Thanks again, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer them. Bye bye.